Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, bless you again.
Thank you.
Okay, enough already.
You heard that?
Oh yeah, these are just cosmetic. They make my head look thinner.
All right, shut up, Cynthia.
We're on a deadline, so.
I can't help it.
You're not getting any more of our blessings.
Allergy.
You're a complete distraction.
Stop it.
One more, and we get her.
Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. It worked.
Get her, guys!
Oh, you think you can just sneeze more than 4 times in an office? In our office?
Friend, I've stopped. I've stopped sneezing.
We'll see about that. It won't stop her from sneezing, but it will be annoying for her.
Finish her.
See you later.
My eyes, how ironic!
Oh, sorry. Who's there?
I only hear laughter and sneezes from my office, and I haven't heard any laughter today.
It's involuntary.
1, 2 sneezes, sure. 3, 4, frowned upon. After that, you're just a terrorist to goodwill and productivity.
Someone microwaving fish?
Oh yeah, that was me. Sorry, guys.
Get him.
Hi, I'm Cynthia from College Humor. Click here to subscribe. Click here for more fun stuff. And now for a wipe breakdown. Star wipe. Diamond wipe. Venetian wipe. Iris.